never been brighter. Introducing the Arlo Pro 3 Floodlight camera. It's a combination of our award-winning camera technology, paired with the superior brightness of a powerful LED floodlight, delivering the first ever floodlight camera that can be set up entirely wire-free, giving you total flexibility for maximum visibility, with a sleek and intelligent design that complements any exterior. A wide, crisp picture with color night vision lets you zoom in on the details. And a built-in smart siren can easily be triggered when you're away. With flexible power options, you can use the rechargeable battery or provide continuous power through a power outlet or solar panel. And rest assured with Arlo's Privacy Pledge that ensures your data and videos remain secure, private, and in your control. The Arlo Pro 3 Floodlight camera. It's security at its brightest.
Stick-up cam, a home monitoring camera that goes indoors, outdoors, even between doors, so you can see every corner of your home. Stay connected with motion alerts.
Why is Frankie out?
And speak to who's there with two-way talk.
Hey, Eddie.
Hey, Mrs. Dawson.
Power stick-up cam however you want. Just plug it in, pop in a battery, or let the sun do the charging for you. And if your ring alarm goes off, stick-up cam can start recording automatically.
That's pretty smart.
It sure is.
So start protecting your home and family with the easy installing, home monitoring, indoor-outdoor stick-up cam by Ring.
Keeping my family safe from robbers is hard work.
Kevin! As a busy mom, I don't have time to run around trying to keep my family safe from themselves. It's a good thing I don't have to, thanks to the new Argus 3 Pro. Now I can be everywhere at once, all while watching my favorite soaps. Oh, it even has an innovative human and vehicle detection feature that helps distinguish between a real threat and a fake one, and immediately alerts me. I'll go get the first aid kit. Oh, and the best part? With its crisp 2K 4 megapixel full color night vision sensor and built-in spotlight, the Argus 3 Pro can catch any criminal, no matter their MO. And with the human and vehicle detection feature, you only get a phone alert when something serious is happening. If you'll excuse me, I need to deal with this.
Get off my lawn!
With one less thing to worry about, I've taken multitasking to a whole other level. And because the Argus 3 Pro can be powered by either a long-lasting battery or a sleek solar panel, I never have to worry about my home being left unprotected. It also connects to both 2.4 and 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi routers. Pretty much fail-proof. Don't worry, It's rated IP65 weatherproof, so come rain or shine, the Argus 3 Pro is fine. While most other security companies charge subscription fees, Reolink thinks your safety is non-negotiable, so all these features come standard and free with the Argus 3 Pro. The Argus 3 Pro is so much more than a security camera. It's that little extra reassurance that your loved ones are okay, whether you're there to keep an eye on them or not. And it's so easy to use. It allows busy moms like me to pursue other interests, like doing TikTok dance challenges so Mama has a chance to be famous, as long as you hit your mark at the right time. So try the Argus 3 Pro and see how easy it is to secure your home today.
Images of everything. Sunday's breakfast, Monday's breakfast, Fido's breakfast. But when someone enters your home, the image you get is this. When it really matters, you need a really good security camera. Meet Nest Cam IQ. It doesn't just see incredibly well, it's got serious brain power. So it can tell the difference between your dog and your dog walker. Then Nest Cam IQ will zoom in and follow the action for you. And with Nest Aware, Nest Cam IQ gets even smarter with face recognition. So you can get an alert if someone's there who shouldn't be, or if your kids just came home from school. It also has HD talk and listen, so they'll hear you loud and clear.
Hey, guys, knock it off.
With Nest Cam IQ looking out for what matters, you can get back to doing the things you truly love. Nest Cam IQ, the security camera that outsmarts other security cameras.